What's up guys, welcome to another video. So this time I'm going to show you how to use a background image that you can see in many websites. So to show you what I mean, let me first show you a website that I like to use for free images and very good images at that. It's called unsplash.com and you can use any of these images for free and you don't have to leave credits or anything. It's just literally free. I don't know. It's amazing though. Yeah, ooh. So yeah, I'm already going to choose this one. I love sea turtles, so right click, open a new tab, and then go to the image that you just opened, and then right click again, and then copy image address. So now you have the image or URL, or you can just copy that right there. So anyway, so let's add this to the body. So the whole body will have this background image, right? So we can start by doing background image colon and then URL for the URL. We just copy it and paste it in, and then so once we have the image URL copied in there, we're gonna go to our website real quick and then reload, and then we have it here. So let's see. So now we have our little. Let's make it full screen. So we have our image now, and as you can see, it repeats. That's because the image itself is not like big enough exactly. So it just tries to compensate. So we can fix that if we feel like it. So let me fix this. Okay, so to fix that, we can do some attributes here. Well, let's put it behind it. Okay, now we can use background repeat, and then we can say no repeat. Oh wait, repeat, no repeat. We don't want it to repeat, okay? So reload, and then it'll just have it once, okay? So yeah, it doesn't really fit, right? So how do we make it fit is the question. Background size, and then cover. So it means it covers the whole page. Oh, I mean from left to right at least it covers the whole page. So we can also say contain, which contains it with a specific, well, within the body at least, okay? Yeah, so if you have it in full screen and you have it on cover, it'll cover the whole page. And if your page was directly like the size of this, it would fit perfectly. So let's see. Let me find an image and I'll be right back. Yeah, so I found a new image. I'll copy and paste this inside here. Okay, now I reload, and then we have our new image, right? So, but if we reload, it covers most of it, and actually all of it. Let me full screen. So it actually covers all of it. So what I did was I found an image that was 920, 1920 by 180p, and yeah, so it covers the whole thing. And yeah, it just depends on the size, but usually we don't really use like these types of images in web design. We would use a repeating image and something like a pattern that can be easily repeated without looking ugly or cut off like this, because you won't have to worry about it fitting and all that stuff. So anyway, um, yeah, so let's go back real quick. Okay, so yeah, we learned about background images, and basically what you need is you don't really need to know these, but they are pretty important if you want to mess around with the sizes and everything. And keep in mind, it's cut off right here because this tab itself is not in full screen, so remember that. And yeah, so yep, that's about that. Um, yeah, let's see if we can change this HTML. No, okay. Yeah, HTML is the same as body anyway. So yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really quite simple. All you gotta do is find an image and then use this and then put it in the URL section right there, and then you'll be good to go. So I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it, and I'll see you next episode. And peace. Quick little side note here. The reason it didn't actually show up at the bottom here is not just well, it is because it wasn't full screen, but also what I also found out just now. I did a little bit of research. If we use the background dash repeat, we can also choose what direction we want to repeat it in, basically. So if we take this out reload. Oh wait, let's do no repeat. Oops. And it'll just cut off again. Okay, maybe not. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, sometimes it'll do that. All you gotta do is repeat it in the Y direction. So the best way we can show that as an example is by using a repeating image. So we can have an easy, like I described earlier, basically. So I'll get right into that. Um, yeah, so I'll find an image and I'll be right back. Okay, so I found an image and I'll copy that into here. Oops. Oh, I didn't copy it apparently. Copy image address. Okay, there we go. So now it's copied. And let's get rid of this. Okay, now we'll go back to our page and reload. And then we have a repeating thingy. So let's say we turn on no repeat, okay? Background, repeat, no repeat. So it'll just only have that one image that we found. And the one image is that, see? See, now it's that. So if you want it to go all the way across, we'll use, you guessed it, repeat X, not Y. Because Y, if you don't know, Y is in the Y direction, which is up and down, which is vertical. And the X is in the X direction, which is dun, 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 horizontal. Okay. So if we reload, it'll only go that way, which is pretty cool, actually. So, yeah, so we can choose. And then if we want it to be, oh wait, let's do Y. So now it'll only be that one. So if we want to have both, all we got to do is either leave it and it'll do it by itself, or just put repeat. So manually, or whatever. You get the point. So yeah, it's really I hope that explains it better. So most commonly you want to use these repeating images so it'll fit better and look nicer on your web page. Instead of using a background image like as a turtle or something or any image like that, you would use that, of course, like I just said. Yeah, I don't know if it made sense, but yeah. Yeah. So peace. Bye.
So impressive.